Are you a freelancer trying to juggle multiple clients, deadlines, and tasks all at once? What if I told you that artificial intelligence can help you work smarter, faster, and better, without burning out? In this video, I'll show you the top AI tools every freelancer must use in 2025 to save time and make more money. First up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's your on-demand writing assistant. Whether you're writing blog posts, emails, product descriptions, or replying to client messages, ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality content in seconds. Use it to draft proposals, create outlines, brainstorm ideas, write social media posts. Next is Notion AI, a game changer for organizing your projects. Notion AI helps you manage client work, track deadlines, and even summarize meeting notes. It's perfect for freelancers who want to stay productive and keep everything in one place. Need stunning graphics but not a designer? Canva's AI tools let you create logos, presentations, and social media posts in minutes. With Magic Write, you can generate text, and with text-to-image tools, your imagination becomes reality. For video creators or freelancers offering content marketing services, Pictory is a must-have. It turns blog posts or scripts into high-quality videos using stock footage and AI voiceovers, perfect for YouTube, Instagram, or client reels. Ever wanted your apps to talk to each other? Zapier lets you connect tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, Trello, and hundreds more. Automate repetitive tasks like sending invoices, updating calendars, or backing up files without touching a line of code. And here's a bonus, Perplexity AI. It's a research powerhouse. Unlike Google, it gives direct answers with sources. Use it for quick research, content validation, and fast idea generation for your next project. As a freelancer, your time is your most valuable asset. These AI tools are not just trendy, they're essential. Start using them today to boost your productivity and grow your income. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to AI Insight Hub, and hit the bell for more AI-powered tools and tips every week.